Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And if you want to elevate your hosting game and wow your friends with some delicious cocktails, you've come to the right place. Today we're counting down our top 5 cocktails guaranteed to impress your friends, from classic elegance to refreshing twists. These cocktails aren't just delicious, they are conversation starters. So grab your shaker and or mixing glass and let's get mixing. First up, we're going classic, old school, and undeniably cool, the old fashioned. This whiskey-based cocktail is a testament to simplicity done right. It's all about the quality of ingredients and technique, muddled sugar, bitters, and a little water. Then add your favorite bourbon or rye. Stir it up. Strain over ice. And garnish with an orange peel. And boom, instant sophistication. Your friends will think you're a seasoned pro. Next, we're taking a trip back in time with the Martinez. Think of this as Martini's sophisticated older sibling. It uses gin, sweet vermouth, a touch of maraschino cherry liqueur, and a dash of orange bitters. Stirred and never shaken, of course. The Martinez is a bit more complex and nuanced than the Martini, making it the perfect choice for impressing those with a more of a sophisticated and refined palate. Number 3, we're adding a touch of pink and a whole lot of flavor with the Clover Club. This gin-based cocktail is not only beautiful to look at, it's also incredibly delicious. The Grenadine syrup adds a touch of sweetness, and the lemon juice provides a refreshing tang. And the egg whites create a velvety smooth texture. Don't be intimidated by the egg white, it's what makes the drink so special. Shake with ice and strain for that perfect frothy top. Moving on to number 4, we're getting a little bit sour and a whole lot more delicious with the Sidecar. This classic cocktail is a perfect balance of sweet and sour. It's made with Cognac, Cointreau, and lemon juice. Shake it up and strain it into the chilled Nicanora glass, and you've got a drink that's both elegant and approachable. The Sidecar is a great choice for impressing friends who appreciate a well-balanced cocktail. And finally, number 5, we're going minty fresh with the mint julep. This iconic southern cocktail is perfect for a hot day or any occasion where you want to make a statement. Muddle fresh mint with sugar and bourbon. And fill the glass with that crushed ice. And garnish with the generous mint. It's refreshing, aromatic, and undeniably impressive. So there you have it, 5 cocktails guaranteed to impress your friends. So which one are you trying first? Be sure to let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more conversation starters and cocktail tips and recipes. Cheers!